anything that you can think of, Python always got you covered. Hey guys, my name is Abhinav Tyagi from TechRush and welcome to this session where you can understand what Python is. So first of all, let's go ahead with the mission of today's session. First, we shall understand what Python exactly is and why it is so popular. Thereafter, the features, versions and applications of Python are taken. Finally, we can take a look how to getting started with the Python basics and end our session with the career opportunities that Python holds for us in the industry. So I hope all of you clear with the agenda of today's session. Let's move ahead with the first topic for today, what Python is. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. It was created by Gordon Anderson and released in 1991. Python's syntax and dynamic typing with its interpretive nature make it an ideal language for scripting and rapid application development. Now we understand why Python is so famous in the industry. Python supports multiple programming patterns including object-oriented and functional or procedural programming styles. Python makes the development and debugging fast because there is no compilation step included in Python development. And adding test debug cycle is also very fast. Now we are moving to our next topic, the features of Python. Python provides lots of features that are listed below. The first one, easy to learn. Python is the easiest language to programming at enterprise level. Its syntax makes it an easy language. The next one is the expressive language. Python language is more expressive means that it is more understandable and readable. The next one is a cross-platform language. Python can run equally on different platforms such as Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So we can say that Python is a portable language. The next one is the object-oriented language. Python supports object-oriented language and concept of classes and object came into existence. The next one is the free and open source. Python language is freely available at official web address and anyone can use its code for their own purpose or modification. The next one is a GUI programming support. Graphical user interface can be developed in Python. The last but not the least feature of Python is a large standard library. Python has a large and broad library and provide rich set of modules of functions for rapid application development. So these are some features of Python.